Hey there, you probably know Python sets are awesome for handling unique items, but their real magic is in how you can grow and change them. Today, we're going to break down the two main ways to expand your sets, using the add method and update method. So picture this, your data is just pouring in, and you need to keep your set, well, up to date. How do you actually get all that new stuff into your Python set without making a mess? Let's figure it out. All right, let's start with the easy stuff. What if you just need to pop one single new item into your set? For that, Python has a super simple tool called the add method. Okay, so here's our starting point. We've got a little set with 3 fruits: apple, banana, and cherry. This is our before picture, you could say. And now for the action. All we do is take our set, which we're calling this set, and use .add with our new fruit, orange, right inside the parentheses. It's really that simple. And boom, just like that, our set has grown. Orange is now in the mix. And remember, sets are like a bag of things, not a list. There's no specific order, so orange is just in there with the others. Okay, so here's the big rule for adding. It's a one-at-a-time deal. You can only give it a single item. Try to give it more, and Python's going to complain. And what happens if you try to add, say, apple again? Absolutely nothing. That's the beauty of sets. They automatically handle duplicates for you, so no worries there. But what if you don't have just one item? What if you have a whole bunch of them? You're not going to call add over and over again, right? That would be a huge pain. Well, thankfully, there's a much better way. Let's talk about the update method. Using update is super efficient. You basically just have your original set and then another collection of stuff you want to add. You call the update method and poof, Python just merges it all together for you. It's pretty slick. Let's make this real. So here's our goal. We've got our first set with apple, banana, and cherry. And we've got this second set full of tropical fruits: pineapple, mango, and papaya. We want to smash them together into one big fruit salad set. And look how easy the code is. We just take our first set, this set, and call .update. And what do we put inside? The entire tropical set. That's it. And what do we get? One big, happy family of fruits. Python just takes everything from the tropical set and dumps it into the first one. And again, if there were any duplicates, it would have just ignored them. Super efficient. Okay, but wait, it gets even cooler. The real superpower of updating isn't just about merging two sets. This is where things get really flexible. It turns out updating can grab items from any kind of collection. I'm not kidding. You can throw a list at it, a tuple, even a string, and Update knows exactly what to do. This makes it an absolutely fantastic tool when you're trying to pull data together from different places. Let's actually look at how this works. If you give it a list with kiwi and orange, they both get added. Same thing with a tuple of grape and melon. But check out the string example. This one's a little tricky. If you update with the string hello, you don't get the word hello in your set. Nope. It breaks the string down and adds each letter individually. H, E, L, and O. Kind of cool, right? Okay, so we've got 2 great tools in our toolkit now: add and update. The real trick is just knowing which one to grab for the job. So let's put them head to head. Honestly, the choice is usually pretty simple. Think of add as your scalpel. It's for adding one single precise thing. On the other hand, update is like a big scoop. You use it when you need to dump a whole bunch of items in at once, no matter if they come from a list, a tuple, or whatever. It's your go-to for bulk additions. All right, that was a lot, but hopefully it's all clicking into place. Before we wrap this up, let's just quickly go over the key things you really need to remember. First up, don't forget that sets are designed to be changed. They're mutable, so you can always add more stuff. Second, and this is the big one, pick the right tool for the job. Add for one item, update for many. And last but not least, you can just relax about duplicates. Python's got your back. Sets will automatically keep everything unique. So there you have it. You're now totally ready to manage growing data using Python sets. The only real question is, now that you know how to build and expand them so easily, what cool problems are you going to solve with them?